Hello viewers. The other day, the recycling center posted this picture. I guess I have a working Model M2 now. The first thing I noticed is how dirty this keyboard really is. The rubber feet on the back panel have seen better days. This thing is definitely going to need a bath. So I began disassembling it. Then it was time to pop the keys. As I managed to remove the first row, it became a lot easier. The larger keys were the toughest. I don't know how, but I managed to remove all of them without breaking anything. The worst one was the spacebar. But that is probably my fault. Inside, it was even worse. Beside the dust, there was a strain of the Ebola virus. Before breaking the plastic pins, I decided to store all of the keys inside an IKEA Ystad plastic bag. A different fate awaits the larger ones. I tried opening the pins with a toothpick. But in the end, these weird nails did a way better job. This part was no fun at all. But after removing all of my weird nails, I could finally open the keyboard. Saving the springy bits for later. Removing the PCB was the hardest thing. I've also discovered a secret code inside. Armed with dish soap and water, I brushed the dirt out of the keyboard. Here, you can see my beautiful knee and framing skills. In order to remove the glue from the keyboard's feet, I used a mixture of the safest cutter in the world, alcohol, a toothbrush, and elbow grease. Leave a like for my feet. Back inside, I gave a nice bath to those bad boys with the help of my little assistant. same thing happened to the larger ones. After a closer inspection, some of the keys were still dirty, so I had to manually clean them up with a toothbrush. They are going to rest by the fire now. And the last string is coming up. Time for the keycaps. And now, please, do enjoy this short clip of me testing the keyboard for the very first time.